This room is filled with a lot of echo, with a standing fan beside me that you can currently hear. This is because I am recording directly from my smartphone that I am using as my camera. This is the raw video, and you can notice the fan, the echo, and all the background noise going on around me. But after turning on this audio AI enhancer, this is how my audio sounds like after turning on the audio AI enhancer. I make use of this a lot in my videos because it eradicates all the background noise. I mean, even if you are recording from afar. This is the raw audio of me recording from afar, as you can see. You can hear how it sounds. But after turning on this audio AI enhancer too, this is how it sounds like after turning on the audio AI enhancer too. I mean, wow. This is so much pleasing to share. What do you think? So this AI tool have been out for a while now, and it is in beta. It is 100% free. Yes, I mean this audio AI enhancer is 100% free. This audio AI enhancer have been out for a while now, and it is in beta. This audio AI enhancer tool is 100% free. I mean it is totally free. Even though it is still in beta, and I cannot see for now how long this free mode will last. But all I can say is that make use of it while it lasts. If you are the type that record with your smartphone and record in a room that echoes and with a lot of background noise, you would want to eradicate all that from your videos. This audio AI enhancer tool will do the magic for you. I love this particular AI tool a lot because the particular AI tool we are talking about can make your videos come out professionally, because 50% of your video is audio, and people will manage to watch your video even if it is in its lowest quality. But what they cannot bear is bad audio quality. And if you are a kind of low budget content creator that doesn't have all these gadgets or the money to purchase all this expensive mic, then this video is for you, because you can actually use any mic that you are currently using, even the one from your smartphone. So without further ado, let me show you how to use this audio AI enhancer tool. Here's the website you are going to use. It is called Adobe Podcast. Yeah, as you can see, we are seeing enhanced speech from Adobe. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but anything you can read that. And then, so this is the website to just type in. So I'll click on it now. Yeah, good. So it's loading. All right. So you can see that will tell you to enhance speech, upgrade for this premium free features. So although, yeah, it's free, you can start for free. And as you can see, I already logged in my website. Yeah, on Raph, but 2 minutes. I'll just, yeah. All right. So here is how we are going to do the magic. So we'll leave here and go to our CapCut app. All right. So you will come to this point where you are done editing all of your videos. Like you have edited all your video sounds and everything. So you will now click on export. Yeah, let's see. All right. So if you see this particular point, see where I'm pointing. See it. You will see where my cursor is pointing. You see videos. You turn this off, and then you go down. You click on this audio, and then you do what? You export your audio. Yeah. So let's export the audio. For those of you who are smartphone users, yes, you won't see this option of extract audio. So what I normally do is that I go to Play Store and I install this app, Audio Editor or MP3 Converter. That is what I do. So what I do before I edit the video, I take my video there, I extract the audio, then I take it to this Adobe website and I redo and I enhance the voice. Then Alright, the audio is done exporting. So I'm going to open this folder so that I will see where my distance is. Alright, so let's go to the folder and then let's open this inside. So once I was seeing the location on the video, I would drag it. I would drag and drop. So you will give it time for it to process it. And once it's done processing it, you will listen to the sound of the audio, your audio that is being enhanced. I'm going to play the raw audio for you to listen to and the enhanced audio for you to also listen to. So you see the difference. This tool is premium. I mean, it's premium and it's free. So what are you waiting for? I don't want you to be having complaint that my audio is not sounding well, it's not sounding well. That's because you don't want to make effort to make it sound well. This Adobe AI audio enhancer is very, very good. So let's see if you can see, if you see this point, you see enhance, the enhance is count on. So let me turn up this enhance and play the original for us to listen to first.
This room is filled with a lot of echo, with a standing fan beside me that you can currently hear.
Alright, so let me play the enhanced one so that you see what I'm saying. This room is filled with a lot of echo, with a standing fan beside me that you can currently hear. So we are seeing how it sounds. So that is it. So after you are done with everything, you just come down. You see this point. You see where my hand is pointing. You click on download and voila, your download, see, it's showing now. It show you download is in process. So that is it. So let's return back to our video immediately. Now here is a huge tip that would help you make use of this audio AI enhancer tool efficiently. You want to make sure that you are talking louder into the microphone. This is because if you don't talk louder, if you don't raise your voice louder, the AI tool might pick your voice or treat it as a background noise and it will eradicate it from the video, which will not make your audio come out professionally. So endeavor to always speak louder, overshadow the background noise with your voice so that the AI tool can pick your voice and treat it well for you. Then the other tip is that you want to make sure that you record with the best microphone you have. Yes, there are quality microphones in phones, and there are some phones that the mic aren't good. So before you record with your smartphone, try to test your microphone so that you will have the best quality sound ever, because the higher the quality of your microphone, the better the audio quality it will be. So with all this being said, I want to know if you would try this audio AI enhancer immediately, or you would want to wait till tomorrow, or maybe next tomorrow, or maybe next month. If you have used this particular AI, or if you are impressed with it, then I will be glad if you leave a comment below to tell me how you found it after using it to transform your audio. Thank you for watching, and my name is Raphael Ono Oche. I'm the CEO and the founder of Raph Concept. See you next lecture. Bye for now.